Lobster season in the Keys is completely crazy.
It's a big deal. We have Lobster Fest, which comes up, and it's a celebration. Everybody up and down makes their version of what they think the best lobster is.
But the dish wasn't quite as popular with the early settlers of Key West.
We call them bugs. You'll hear a lot of slang term. We'll say, hey, did you go out and get any bugs today? Because it used to be treated like bugs, and it was a bycatch, and nobody wanted it. And if you were eating lobster, a lot of times, especially back then, you would take those lobster shells when you were done with them and either bury them in the backyard or put them in something and then go dump them in the ocean somewhere or whatever. You didn't want your neighbors seeing that you're eating lobsters, because that was a poor, poor food.
While most folks enjoy them simply broiled or grilled, Paul Menta has a favorite way to serve them.
You're just going to break the shell, and then if you crack that open, you stuff the inside of that lobster with butter and garlic and herbs, you seal it back up and you bake it, or you put it on your grill like that. I guarantee you it'll pop out, it'll curl, and you'll be able to cut it like you would a tenderloin. And it'll be tender and wonderful.